barfi is made up of. It's absolutely soft, simple to make and very nutritious too. This is dalia or broken wheat barfi. You have to try it once to know how good it tastes. Nobody will be able to guess that this barfi is made up of dalia. So let's quickly see how to make it. Before moving to the recipe, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel if you are new to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll heat a pan. Into this, we'll dry roast half a cup of whole wheat flour or atta. We'll keep the flame on low-medium side. We need to roast atta until we get a nice light brown color. Here you can see the flour has roasted very well. We'll transfer the flour in a bowl. In the same pan, now we'll be dry roasting flax seeds. I'll be roasting 2 teaspoons of flax seed. We need to dry roast flax seeds on low flame again. 1 tablespoon flax seeds provide good amount of protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids in addition to being rich source of vitamins and minerals. So one should include flaxseed in daily diet. I usually roast flaxseed and then grind it and use it in kneading my flour. This is the simplest way to use flaxseed in diet. Our flax seeds are done. Now we'll transfer flax seeds in another bowl. We'll allow flax seeds to cool down a bit and then we'll grind it. Next, we'll heat desi ghee in the same pan. I'll be taking approximately 3 tablespoons of desi ghee, which makes it approximately half a cup. We'll heat desi ghee on low flame, and now we need to finally roast our broken wheat or dalia in heated desi ghee. While roasting dalia, keep the flame on low-medium side and roast it until you get a nice aroma of roasted dalia. Gradually you will see that the color of dalia will also change. Dalia, which is also called as broken wheat, is very beneficial for health. Dalia, we all know, is a storehouse of nutrients. It is loaded with the added benefit of high fiber. Usually dalia is consumed for breakfast. You can make vegetable dalia, which is very nutritious. I had shared a dalia cutlet recipe earlier. You can watch that recipe on my channel. I'll drop the link in the description box below. Do check it out. Along with roasting dalia, I will also put few almonds here. We'll roast almonds along with dalia. This step is completely optional. You can even add chopped almonds later. Once roasted, we'll allow this roasted dalia to cool down a bit till it comes to room temperature, and then we'll grind it. After grinding, it's looking something like this. And we'll again transfer it in a bowl. Next step is to melt the jaggery. For this, I'll take 1/4 cup of water, which is approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons. Into this, we'll add 100 grams of jaggery or gur. Gradually, you will see that jaggery will melt. Instead of jaggery, you can also use jaggery powder. Here you can see jaggery is melting very well. Just keep the flame on lowest possible side, otherwise jaggery will burn. While you are melting jaggery, keep all the other ingredients ready. So in the mixture, we have added 1 teaspoon of our roasted and grounded flax seeds, and we'll also add a pinch of cardamom powder, and then we'll add our melted jaggery. We'll mix everything well. Friends, after adding jaggery, I have grinded this complete mixture again. I want to set it as a barfi, so I am preparing this in this manner. However, if you want to make laddus, you can straight away just mix jaggery in the mixture and then you can prepare your laddus. Now in order to set barfi, what I have done is I have heated 1 cup of milk in the same pan and I have added 1 tablespoon of desi ghee in it. Now in milk we'll add little mixture and we'll mix it again. So we'll keep on adding this mixture. Do not add mixture in one go, otherwise it will form lumps. So mix it well and cook this mixture on medium flame. And our barfi material is ready. Now we'll turn off the flame and we'll set it. In order to set the barfi, use a greased plate or tray like this, and into this we'll transfer our complete dalia mixture. And we'll finally sprinkle some chopped pista and just press it gently. We'll allow this barfi to cool down completely and we'll keep it aside for at least 2 to 3 hours until our barfi sets completely. Our barfi is ready. We'll now cut it into desired pieces. The barfi is absolutely soft. You can see the barfi has turned out so well. It's looking so attractive and you have to try it once to know how good it tastes. You will not be able to believe that this is made up of dalia. And to add to the nutrition value, we have added flex seeds and jaggery to it. So this barfi is very healthy and very nutritious. You should definitely try it out once. One can store this barfi in an airtight container and you can keep it in fridge if you want to consume it for next 10 to 15 days. I hope you liked watching our today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.